Nintendo Switch, you can play on your TV at home, detach the Joy-Con controllers to play with friends, or undock the system to take it with you wherever you want. You can find your way to play, thanks to the many different playstyles supported by the system. This fall, it will be joined by a new addition to the family. Introducing Nintendo. This version of Nintendo is dedicated to handheld play, and as such, it's compact, and easy to take with you on the compact. Nintendo Switch Lite will be available in 3 different colors.
What?
Now, please take a look at this.
Minasan, konnichiwa.
Hi, everyone. So, how'd it look?
Disgusting!
First off, since the directional buttons have been swapped out for a Plus control pad. You'll need additional Joy-Con controllers to play games like 1-2 Switch, which require motion controls.
What?
There's still some time before it launches, but I hope you're looking forward to it. Thank you very much for watching.